Hi, I'm Kirsty from Kerbo Charge. Congratulations on your new Kerbo Charge channel installation. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the new Kerbo Charge charging channel. To insert your cable, lift the lid at one end and feed your cable in a handful at a time, like this.
To remove, it's even easier. You pull the cable along like this, and the specially designed lid closes behind, just like a zip.
As your Kerbo Charge channel is installed in a public place, it's important to remember the following 3 safety checks. Please bear in mind your 10-year warranty is only valid if you adhere to all 3 of these. Always ensure the lid is securely shut before you leave it unattended. For example, check that a stick or stone hasn't got wedged beneath the lid. Always remove your cable when your car has finished charging. And lastly, inspect your Kerbo Charge channel regularly. If you come across any issues, report them via email to help@kerbocharge.com. With these important safety checks in place, you can look forward to trouble-free home charging for years to come. Kerbo Charge. Simple, safe, secure.